Hi everybody, it's Miss Linda, and I'm here with my friend Zip. Here he is. Today, we are going to talk about getting a haircut. Do you ever go to get a haircut? And how does a haircut make you feel? Sometimes getting a haircut can maybe make you feel scared or sad, or you might even want to cry. But it's okay, everybody gets haircuts. Even Zip gets a haircut. When you go for a haircut, you may need to go to the barber shop or the hair salon, or you might even get a haircut at school. Zip doesn't go anywhere for a haircut. He gets his haircut right here at the barn by me. So today we are going to cut his hair. When he gets a haircut, we either use scissors or sometimes we use a razor. Today we're going to use scissors, and I'm just going to give him a tiny little haircut. So he knows that when he gets his haircut, he needs to follow the rules. He needs to stand patiently and nicely, just like you might have to sit patiently in a special chair. And he needs to let me cut his hair, and he needs to follow directions. So let's go ahead and give him a little haircut. Nice job, Zip, standing patiently. He did such a nice job. And Zip used to be scared to get his haircut, but he's not scared anymore because he knows it's not a bad thing. It actually makes him look really nice. So remember, when you get your haircut, you need to follow the rules, sit patiently in your chair, and let the barber or the hairdresser cut your hair. And if you do a really good job, when you're done, maybe you can earn something like a special treat. I have a little horse muffin for Zip here because he did such a great job with his haircut. Here you go, buddy. Nice job getting a haircut today and following your rules. Okay, that's all for today. Have a great day. Bye.